We are here today at the world's best skate park. You guys leave it in the comments below. Is it the best or the worst? So I brought Chloe, skate park aficionado. Yes. Go ahead, be shy. I just went over with her that the second the camera turns off, she has all these things to say. They're freaking hilarious. And then the second we turn on the camera, nothing.
That just all leaves my head.
Why?
I don't know. It's a mental block.
I don't know why. So we're out here, skate park tour with Chloe, professional skateboarder Holmes. And this is my kind of park. I'm not gonna lie. Out of every park we've been to, I love a park like this.
Really? Why?
Absolutely. Flat ground is good. You can learn all your basic tricks. You got a little bench, you got a butter bench, you got a little rail. This is where skateboarders are made. You could become a really good skater here.
I thought you invented the butter bench.
I thought I did too.
Did you not though?
I mean, we just call that kind of stuff, that material, it's called recycled plastic. We just call it butter.
Oh.
You know why?
Why?
Because it's butter. Oh wait, I'm not supposed to say anything.
Oh,
You're supposed to name the obstacles. Okay, you choose any obstacle and then choose a trick for me.
Okay.
You know how this works?
You're gonna ollie over the Wendy's cup.
Yeah?
And then you're gonna go down and curve around the muffin.
Okay, first of all, who left their freaking muffin? Okay, first things first, what is this called?
Okay, this is called a quarter pipe.
Dang, she's getting so good at this. Okay, can I move that muffin or leave it?
Yes, you can.
No, I'm leaving it.
I just don't want you to touch it.
Yeah, me neither. Okay, and how did you know this is a Wendy's cup?
Because I could see the girl on the other side.
Shout out Wendy's.
Is it Wendy's?
Yeah.
I think so.
Okay, ollie over the Wendy's cup.
Yeah.
And guys, I just broke my foot, so be gentle on me, okay?
It's really gross.
Look at that.
Wow.
And then zoom around this. Whoa! Quarter pipe it up. Go around the muffin, you said?
Yeah. So impressed.
First try, ollie. Ouch!
So good.
It still hurts every try. Every try is first try. Another trick, or are we just moving right along here?
I think we move right along.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, we're just going for it.
Okay.
What's
this is
this
gonna
called?
be like a 5-minute video.
Who
There's
cares?
like 4 things
We
in
love
here.
5-minute videos.
Okay. This is called a bank, right?
I mean, kind of.
But you just explained this to me.
Yes, so this is called the bank. Just this part right here.
Yeah.
But okay, you're right. Okay, you're right.
A bank to ledge.
Okay, where's the ledge? There's no
It's just
ledge.
a big ledge.
What's this called?
That's called a hip.
Okay, dang, she's good. Okay, I'm gonna give that to you 100%.
No, you're not.
I am. Yeah, this is a bank. That's a hip. What do you call this whole obstacle?
You call it,
I guess you pretty much already got it. I'm trying to be like kind of mean or overly significant. But okay, just answer the question first, then I'll explain.
what it is.
I'm gonna do tricks on the bank because you called it a bank.
A bank.
Bank. Bank it up. Wow, look at that. We out here. Skateboarding for fun. Name a trick, Chloe.
A nollie.
A nollie. Name another trick.
A kickflip.
Big spin.
Why do you ask me to name it?
A kickflip, you said. That's good. I
You
just
said
needed
a
to turn
big
my board
spin.
around. Wow,
Woo.
it's still scary.
You need to warm your board up? Is that what you said?
Yeah.
So good.
It's like, how many times am I gonna have to do a kickflip before the mental barrier of a broken foot with 2 screws leaves me?
A lot.
You know what I think is funny?
What?
You know how in the boards, whenever I make them, especially like you make it with skater or whatever, I only use 2 screws?
Yeah.
Isn't that funny?
That is weird.
Because how many screws are in my foot?
Oh.
2 screws!
You did this to yourself.
I did it to myself. I was like, don't worry, doctor. 2 screws will hold just fine. You know how many they're supposed to put in?
4.
6.
No.
Yeah.
Really?
6 in a plate.
So then why did they change their mind?
Well, they cut my foot open, they pulled my bones apart, and they put them back together, and they said, oh, we could drill this down with 2 screws and it would be fine. Isn't that weird to think about?
It is so weird.
Okay, give me a trick.
Okay.
Strawberry milkshake?
Yes.
Why do I even come, she says.
So good.
So good, now you're just lying.
Pop shove it.
Dang. Okay, that's a bank. Can you skate this bank?
I called it a bank.
Yeah, I know. You did good.
But what is the whole thing called?
So, okay, you're right. If it were just this piece, it's a bank. This is a hip. I would technically call the whole thing like, I guess technically it would be called a pyramid hip.
I would never have guessed it.
I know. But if it's kind of a pyramid, right?
No.
What do you mean, no?
It's not a pyramid.
Okay, Chloe, skate it up.
A pyramid is like that.
Get your skate on. The people come to these videos to see you skate.
I'm sure.
They're definitely not here for me.
Okay, this one doesn't even seem that banky because there's curve to it.
Yeah, kind of.
All right, I don't know that I'm ready for it.
Maybe you warm up a little bit on the flat ground.
Okay.
What? You're giving me that look like you can't do it.
No, I can't.
The second that camera turns off, you would just ride up that bank like a champion.
I know, but I want to get better before I...
She's nervous. She thinks that you guys are so mean to her in the comments. She wants to get better before she skates in any videos. And the second the camera turns off, she tells me all about it. And I'm like, tell them. Because you know how many people out there feel like, I can't go to a skate park, I just started. That's why we make these videos, to inspire people like them.
I know, but it's just, and I agree with that, except for I've been working for you for like 11 years now.
Yep.
You would think I would be better by now.
You are better. You're just putting yourself down.
Okay. Okay, but the whole video is you though.
Just push around, bend your knees. Yeah, shredder.
Okay. What is this over here for?
It's just a park.
Oh, it's not part of the skate park.
Good, now if you just roll up this bank, just very gently, just a little bit. Nice and gentle. Just
Okay.
bend your knees a lot.
Here I go.
Here I go.
Here I go.
Okay, you ready?
Wait, don't push me. I'm going.
Bend your knees, bend your knees.
Ah!
First try. Okay, you nailed it.
Okay,
All right, that was great.
good.
Now give me some tricks on this hip.
On the hip.
Yeah.
Do a tray flip.
Freaking A, Chloe, why do you always make it so hard? If I didn't have a broken foot, I could do that. I might be able to, actually.
So good.
Let me try. Front 180, back 180. Yee! Nollie 180. Yeah, this park is good.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Why is skateboarding so freaking fun? Scared to do anything else, but I want to, you know?
So you really like this park?
I do.
Because you like flat ground.
And like, this is like, there's flat ground. I can practice tricks on this bench. I can practice tricks on this. Like, there's
Right.
a lot you can do here.
That's so funny. I wouldn't look at this park and think, oh, this is a great park.
Yeah. Because you're a poser, Chloe. You're not from the streets.
But now that I see what you like to do, this would make sense for you.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what's that called?
That one, that's called a rail.
Okay, give me a trick.
A rail, what is the end part called? Is it called something else?
No, just a rail.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna reverse this. I'm gonna do a trick and you name what it is.
Uh-oh.
Oh, it's scary.
Hippie jump.
Yeah, very well done.
You know I know that?
Shout out Hippie Mike, because you did that video where you fell really hard.
Where I almost died.
I'm gonna get this. Don't worry about it. Wow, it's sticky. How this, Chloe?
The first one, a board slide. Is that what it was?
Yeah, board slide.
I'm getting better.
Yeah, you got it.
Board slide with steez.
Ouch, my toes. Kickflip off. We got this. We are out here. You know what's really scary for me right now that I should probably just do and get it over with?
What?
A nollie flip.
A nollie flip.
Should I do it?
I don't know what it looks like.
It's with the broken foot, literally.
Oh, let's not do it.
Maybe let's not do that.
Especially if your doctor said not to skate.
Dr. Schmachter. Okay, what's that called?
That's called a butter bench.
Nope.
Yes, it is.
It's made out of metal.
Wait, you called it a butter? Oh, is that the butter bench?
That's made out of butter. That's made out of bench.
How do you know it's made out of metal? We don't know.
What? Come look at it.
It is metal.
Also, this thing is... Like, if you're a kid, you're learning how to skate, this is it.
Really?
Completely.
But what do you call it? A bench?
Yeah, just a bench, metal bench. I got scared.
Okay, you did an ollie.
Yeah, I did an ollie. Correct. Wow, to be able to grind.
I was gonna call it a grind.
Okay, what's this called?
Grind.
What kind of grind?
It's called a, I have nothing.
How many trucks are grinding?
2.
So it's a, what?
Double grind.
Yep, kind of. So I'm going up like this and the bench is on my what?
Back.
Yep, so backside 50-50.
Oh, okay, we'll see if I remember that. Backside 50-50. Okay, do another one. I'll see if I figure this out. Okay, no. Wait, no. Front side 50.
Yeah, but how many trucks?
There's only one.
Okay.
That's why I said 50, not 50-50.
Okay, point well made. So it's actually called the frontside 5-0. And I'm really stoked that I landed that, to be honest.
5-0 is 50.
Oh, he's back, boy! Should I tray flip?
Yeah.
This
Look
is
how
where-
happy you are. Look at that face.
This is the exact point where you get too overly excited and you go, should I tray flip? And then boom, 5 more months out.
But okay, please explain how the difference is 5-0 versus 50.
Yeah, 2 trucks, 50-50. 1 truck, 5-0.
But why is it 5-0 versus 50?
No clue, to be honest.
Okay.
I've been skateboarding for 30 years, it just is what it is.
Okay.
This, give me a trick. Oh, wait, name it and give me a trick.
Butter bench.
Okay, I cheated on that. You cheated on that. Give me a trick.
Do a manual kickflip.
What the heck? Okay,
Is that hard?
Yeah. I don't know that I could kickflip out of that.
You don't think so?
Okay, I got you.
Okay.
I got you. I'm gonna cheat this, okay?
I mean, you did it. You technically did it.
But I should have manual then kickflipped, all in the same trick, right?
Don't get yourself down.
Don't be down on yourself.
Don't be
there.
down on yourself.
Wow, that's sticky. You would think it's more butter with the name Butter Bench. You think it'd be buttery. That's why it's called Butter Bench. That is
Okay.
deadly buttery.
I think I get this. A nose slide.
Which one?
Do a nose slide. I think I know what it would look like.
Whoa!
I knew it.
You knew it?
Yeah, I'm getting it. And then a tail slide would be on the back.
Holy crap! If I don't land this no slide right here, Derek, I swear to God, I will marry you myself. Yes.
Well done.
Tail slide, I think, is a little bit too much pressure on my toe, my left foot. But you know what I have yet to do?
What?
A heel flip. I'm not gonna. Too dangerous.
You think so?
Yeah.
I think that you can't do it.
I'm sorry to the residential neighborhood. Imagine you're at your house, it's Saturday morning, you're sleeping, you're just relaxing, enjoying your sleep, and then you wake up.
Although it is 1 p.m.
What is occurring at the skate park? It's those Braille guys again.
You did it.
Come on, we don't count that.
What do you mean we don't count it? You landed it.
That was horrible. Wow, that was butter.
Oh, yeah.
Dang. I think 2 screws in my foot helped me even more.
What is that?
This is 700. Sheesh. Okay, give the people a trick, Chloe. Trick or treat.
Okay.
What are you gonna be for Halloween?
A mermaid
That's Poserville.
with my daughter.
How are you gonna skate with a mermaid costume on? We gotta do a Halloween special this year.
We do. Oh my gosh, we should do costumes.
Oh, completely.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Gosh, darn it.
Come on, Chloe.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Good job. Okay, now we're gonna do that up here. Do it up here,
Why?
just to scare you a little bit.
Why? See, it rolls a lot up here.
Away from the edge.
Okay.
If you get this first try, I will sing karaoke at your birthday party. Okay, fork. I was not expecting to have to sing karaoke. I'm a terrible singer. Okay, very well done.
Thank you.
So the total rating of this park, 12 out of 10. Best skate park in the whole world. You wish I was lying, but I'm completely not lying. Name this trick.
Okay. Strawberry milkshake.
Wow, she does know it. Fork! We'll take it. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes, you, learn how to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com. Do people still dab in 2024?
No more.